Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure your network connection is stable. Next, scroll down and select General. From there, click on VPN and Device Management. If a VPN is connected, disconnect it to avoid any issues. Once you've checked your settings, go back to the home screen and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Minecraft and tap on the Minecraft app from the results. If you haven't added a payment method yet, you will need to do so in order to download the game. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Once that's done, you can easily download Minecraft directly onto your iPhone. After the download is complete, you can find Minecraft on your home screen and start playing right away. So that's basically how you can download Minecraft on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.